Before starting the automatic priming, make sure all clamps are open or the unused ones are clamped on the lines and the solutions. Press automatic priming as the fifth of the 7 steps of the preparation. During the priming time, 14 minutes, all lines and filter are filled in order to remove all the air from the circuit. Before finishing the priming process, user interaction will be required to install the plasma fractionator into the circuit. A pop-up window will notify the user that the lines are filled and the plasma fractionator must be installed. Close all clamps on priming connector and on connected lines. Secure plasma fractionator in the holder on the IV pole. Detach the yellow plasma line from the priming connector. Remove cap from the plasma inlet port of the plasma fractionator and connect to the yellow plasma line. Rotate the plasma fractionator to a horizontal position. Open the second compartment of the pouch and take the adapters. Detach the green transmembrane line from the priming connector and attach adapter. Remove cap from the flushing port of the plasma fractionator and attach green transmembrane line. Repeat this for the purple plasma return line. Detach the purple plasma line from the priming connector and attach adapter. Remove cap from the plasma outlet port of the plasma fractionator and attach purple plasma return line. Rotate the plasma fractionator to a vertical position with plasma discard port on top. Detach waste line from the priming connector and discard priming connector. Connect waste line to plasma discard port. Check connections and open all clamps on the connected lines. Position the plasma fractionator above the base caster. Press the name of plasma fractionator field and enter the name of the plasma fractionator. If plasma fractionator is installed and the name is filled out, press confirm. The automatic priming will finish shortly after a leakage test is performed. At the end of the priming, press Next. To perform the mandatory rinsing, set up the appropriate solutions according to the plasma fractionator IFU. The rinsing flows and volumes can be adjusted for the following steps: rinsing the plasma fractionator inside, rinsing the plasma fractionator outside, rinsing the whole circuit of the kit. After setting up the solutions and adjusting the parameters, press Rinsing to perform the rinsing sequence. Press Next to proceed with preparation. When rinsing is performed after the recirculation, make sure that the arterial line is connected to the priming solution bag and the venous line is connected with the recirculation connector to the waste bag via the waste line. In this step, you can proceed to patient connection or select recirculation if the patient is not ready. If recirculation is selected, close clamps on the arterial line and on the Y extension. Close clamp on the venous line and on the neutral waste line. Disconnect the arterial line and venous line from the corresponding bags. Remove Y extension from arterial line if still present. Connect the arterial line and venous line via the recirculation connector and open clamps. Press recirculation button to start recirculation. Press recirculation button to stop it, and press Connect Patient to proceed to the Confirm Therapy Parameters step. The screen for confirming therapy parameters is the last of the 7 steps that make up the preparation procedure. These include Patient ID. Weight. Target plasma volume. Plasma filtration ratio. Heparin flow rate. When all desired parameters are entered, press Confirm. Two options are available for patient connection. For more information on red connection, check the IFU. In case of white connection, the connection is performed with both lines connected to the catheter. All the fluid inside the blood circuit is infused to the patient via the venous line. Let's choose white connection. The patient connection can be started by pressing the Fill the Blood Lines icon. Visually control the blood draw. It is recommended to operate the blood pump on this screen until the entire blood circuit is filled with blood. The Enter Therapy button becomes enabled after 25 milliliters of blood delivered. Enter the main screen by pressing Enter Therapy. Set the blood flow rate displayed in the middle of the lower edge of the screen. Press plus or minus on the numeric keypad to enter the target value in ml per min and confirm with Done. The target blood flow is approached gradually. When the blood flow is adequate, press the therapy icon. Plasma pump starts to work. The most important therapy parameters are displayed on the main screen.